Hey, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be unboxing the all-new iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the Pacific Blue 256GB variant, which cost me $1,200 on Apple's website. But before we jump right in, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel, and if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button as it helps me out a lot. Also hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. Firstly, let's have a quick go around of the box itself. The box is of a very slim profile, which is possible since it does not ship with a power brick. The box is almost half the size of an iPhone 11 box as seen here. Apple says this cost cutting is done for the environment, however it's most probably to cut down on the cost of the 5G technology on the inside. A picture of the phone is printed on the front and it has color matching iPhone logos on the sides to match the color of your iPhone. The back has the phone's capacity written on it and other general information. Alright, let's now open the box and take a look inside. First, let's pull back on the plastic tab at the back here. Lay the box on the table and lift up the top. We are now greeted with the iPhone 12 Pro Max facing downwards. Let's take it out and leave it aside for now. Inside the rest of the box, we can see the USB-C to Lightning charging cable, and some documentation with the user guide, warranty information, SIM card ejector tool, and a single Apple sticker. And as we all know by now, it does not ship with a power brick. Let us now peel back the plastic screen protector to reveal the gorgeous 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. Taking a closer look at the phone, and we can see the all-new Pacific Blue color in all its glory, which kind of distracts us from the all but familiar square design. And I say familiar as it's going back to a similar boxy design to that of the iPhone 4 and iPhone 5. The triple camera setup is visible here with the 12-megapixel main shooter and the ultrawide and telephoto cameras, which for the first time in an iPhone are slightly better than those of the standard Pro model. Next, we can see the slightly shrunk down notch, which houses the ever so important Face ID sensor, which I feel will always be superior to any fingerprint scanner, in display or not. And as usual, we have the volume controls and profile switcher on the left side of the phone, and the power button / sleep wake button on the right. The bottom reveals the Lightning connector, stereo speaker, and microphone. So now let's turn on the iPhone 12 Pro Max and see what it's like. I will quickly pass by this setup process and get right back to you. And here it is, the iPhone 12 Pro Max in all its glory. Holding the boxy design in my hand brings back so many memories from using an iPhone 4. It feels extremely solid and well constructed, just like any other Apple product. The painted Pacific Blue finish is not too much of a fingerprint magnet, but I will be using a case with this phone anyways. The display looks amazing and is definitely worthy of the advertising and praise that it got. I'm indeed looking forward to doing a full review on this iPhone in about a week, so stay tuned for that. So finally, that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel, and if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button as it helps me out a lot. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.